Okay guys, in the last video I was having a question about oil flow to the top end of the Honda CB350. Whether it was getting oil, but didn't seem like it was getting enough. It was kind of low, kind of weak. Well, I went ahead and this is the rocker box. I went ahead and polished where the cam bearings go, the rocker arms, the adjusters here were cleaned up and polished. Also the cam bearings themselves resurfaced and polished. I don't know if you can see that in there, but they're definitely better than what they were. And the camshaft itself is much better. It's been polished as best I can. It's not perfect, but it's better than what it was, that's for sure. So I'm going to start assembling this again, and hopefully we'll get this thing running again. Okay guys, the engine's back in the frame and I'm getting ready to fire this up. I'm going to set you guys aside and wish me luck. Alright guys, she's idling just over 1,000 RPM. Sounds good, it's loud, firing on both cylinders. That sounds really, really good. I'm using mix of avgas and regular gas, low lead. I do have a feeling when I flip the throttle it's probably going to die because it needs to be rejetted. That does sound good. that's the first startup after the full rebuild. It sounds good. We got oil flow coming out of the top end. Happy with that. Tell me what you guys think. Boy, those are MGO mufflers. They are loud. Don't flip it too hard. She just will fall down because it definitely needs to be rechecked. But boy, am I happy with that. It's good to hear this bike run again, guys. So I got my fan running because this is air cooled. So I'm happy with that. Very happy with this. We have oil flowing, bike running. Shut it down because it's going to be running out of fuel soon. Very happy with that, guys. That is awesome. Welcome back, girl. Welcome back. Alright, guys. Tell me what you guys think. She's running again, and we're very happy with that. We got oil flowing. We saw that. The top end. She was idling. She definitely needs to be rejetted, but that was expected, as we all know. You're running no airbox, pod filters, and we got aftermarket exhaust. So anyway, I'm very happy with that. I'm very excited. So she's running again. So I'm going to end the video here, and you guys ride safe, and thanks for watching.